Okay, so first to make our butterfly, we're going to take a piece of paper and actually I'm going to fold it in half because I only want to use half of this piece of paper. So we're going to fold it in half and then I'm going to cut it along this line to save the other half. So I only want to use one half, so this one I can use for something else. So here I have my one piece of paper and I'm going to fold it in half again, but this way. Okay, and now I'm going to make my butterfly.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going to draw my butterfly wings. So at first I'm going to draw the body of my butterfly and then I'm going to draw some wings. Okay, so I've drawn my beautiful butterfly wings and now comes the part where we're going to cut it. So we folded it in half, so I'm going to show you the trick in a minute. So we're going to cut very carefully along the line that we just drew. And then when we open it up, we have a symmetrical, beautiful butterfly. And you can draw in the body and the line for the wings. And now we get to decorate.
Now is your chance to pause the video.
So to decorate our butterfly, you have a choice. You can stick some things onto it. So I cut out these little circles made from paper and I can glue them to my butterfly with some glue. Remember, we're trying to be symmetrical because butterfly wings are symmetrical. We know this. So put them where you like. Maybe you want to do some coloring as well. Maybe you have some stickers you want to put on. Maybe you have some glitter. Oh, I want to make sure my butterfly has a nice brown body. And just keep decorating your butterfly until it's finished. And then when you are finished, you can take your butterfly, fold it in the middle, and you can actually stick it to the wall or stick it wherever you're going to put your decorations for the Ugly Bug Ball. You can do this in any color you like, very easy, and I know you guys will make some beautiful butterfly decorations.